He was known for creating a simple government. And in the last term, between 14 and 19, as we call it, CBN 3.0 was ease of doing business. We got in Kia, HCL is known, Zoho, TCL, Conduit, various other companies, just because we were easy to work with as a state. And now the new mantra of this government is not about ease of doing business, but speed of doing business. And that is why we are all here. And the Honorable Chief Minister has been saying again and again that it's 95 leadership that people are going to see. So we're already, all of us are worried because he's going to start a surprise visit soon. And I'm sure he'll visit schools and keep us all on our toes. The reason I wanted this meeting fundamentally was, rather than going after newer investments alone, all of you already know about Visakhapatnam, know about Andhra Pradesh. And against the wind, you've invested here. So it's very, very important that we treat you more, we understand your problems and debottleneck it. I want to be clear, in the last 5 years, all of you had a lot of headwind, a lot of issues, and I'm here to resolve those issues. As a government, we believe both development and welfare go together. And if you look at our manifesto, we call it Super 6. The first promise is to create 20 lakh jobs. And in every speech of mine, in a Padayatra, I reiterated it. And we are committed to creating jobs. And that is one of the primary agenda with which your government is going to work. And we will continue on a promise of decentralized development. We promised it in the past. We will deliver on it, no second thoughts. In terms of the way I look at Visakhapatnam, I think we have to rebuild. Because the only thing the previous administration built was a beautiful palace, which I'm yet to see. But no grade A IT space has been created. We were not able to create meaningful jobs. All of you with great hopes have invested in Andhra Pradesh. Your incentives have been delayed for now more than 5 years. Simple things like street lights. I was shocked when I met a few of the representatives from the industry. They said, we've been asking the earlier government, give me street lights. And that was not delivered. I really felt bad. I apologized for it. And I said, we'll deliver on it. Street lights honestly is a very small issue that we should be worried about. But that's the kind of problems that you are dealing with. And we are here to resolve any problem that you have, small or big. As an IT minister, I believe in the power of ecosystem. That is what Hyderabad is today. That is what Bangalore is today. Hyderabad basically rode the wave of Y2K. I believe now Vizag can do that with the AI and data centers. If all of you recollect, when I was the IT minister, we created a customized policy back then for Adanis to invest close to $15 billion back then. Now it doesn't mean much in terms of data center. Back then it was huge money. People were imagining AI, they didn't experience it. But that was the vision with which we worked. We wanted Visakhapatnam to be the data centers AI hub, not for India but for the world. And you've seen the project also did not move. Telugulo prapanchamanta unnaru, ఏ కంపెనీకి వెళ్ళినా తెలుగులో ఉన్నారు. శివనాగర్ గారే స్వయంగా మాకు తమిళ కన్నా ఎక్కువ తెలుగులో పనిచేస్తున్నారు HCL అని స్వయంగా నాకు ఆయనే చెప్పారు. సో ఏ ఐటీ కంపెనీకి వెళ్ళినా మనలో ఉన్నారు. అవకాశాలు లేక పక్క రాష్ట్రాలకు వెళ్ళారు. దానికి ఫుల్ స్టాప్ పెట్టాల్సిన బాధ్యత మన ప్రభుత్వం పైన ఉంది. అది పర్సనల్గా నేను తీసుకుంటాను. అండ్ యాజ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దట్, ది స్కిల్ సెన్సస్ సంథింగ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లాంచ్ సూన్. ఐ వాంట్ ఇండస్ట్రీ టు బి వెరీ మచ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. మీరు హామీ ఇచ్చారు ఈ క్వార్టర్లో ఇన్ని ఉద్యోగాలు కల్పిస్తానని, ఎంతవరకు మీరు వచ్చారు? దానిపైన ఐ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ క్వశ్చన్ పుల్ అప్. యూ షుడ్ ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ ఇఫ్ ఐమ్ గోయింగ్ టు పుల్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ ది ఎజెండా. creating 20 lakh jobs.
ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి. అలాగే మా ఛానల్ ని ఫస్ట్ టైం కనుక చూస్తున్నట్టయితే ఇప్పుడే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని పక్కనే ఉన్న గంట సింబల్ ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడే మేము పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ గా వస్తుంది. అలాగే ఈ వీడియో పూర్తిగా చూసినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు.